Okay, this is, come with me, Noah. This is our street. We had an ice storm, and a lot of the branches fell on the ground.
And look at that.
Some are still falling. We just had one break on us. Fell down. You can't see down there too far, but there are trees, branches falling all over. Noah, come over here.
Why?
We do have branches falling all over. We just had 2 fall on us. There's more coming down. No, come out from underneath there. I don't want that to fall on you. The yards are covered. Some trees aren't too bad, others are hurting a lot. So I just thought I'd give an image of people. That's our house over there. We have no big trees, so